Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Snack Nation. Do you remember when I unboxed this before? This box is full to the gills of snacks. So, a little bit about them. They do have an office subscription. So that's like 150 snacks in a box. That's not what we're reviewing. This is the Snack Nation for home. And there's a surprise inside. Just keep watching. So, you can do 6 snacks for $9.99, or you can do 15 snacks for $24.99. I'm thinking this is the $24.99 box. You can also build your own, and like I said, they have office subscriptions. I wrote that all down, could you tell? This is a really great box because they're healthy snacks. They're snacks that you won't find everywhere. So we're gonna open it up. I love the way this looks inside. Thank you. Your purchase of this box helps fight hunger. We just donated 1 meal to Feeding America on your behalf. You rock. So how cool is that? For every box purchased, they donate a meal to Feed America. My daughter's outside the door. Okay, I'm back. So, if you guys haven't figured it out yet, I'll be giving 1 box away to one of you lucky guys. I will have info on how to enter the giveaway in the little description box below. I'll also link to the full vlog review. That's probably where the giveaway will be like living, where you can enter. I'll also link to Snack Nation in case you just want to go and buy boxes. So let's just get in here and start picking out. I'm not doing a tasting review. I know you guys are going to be so mad when I decided that. I'm like, they're going to be so mad at me for not doing a tasting review. Sorry. But we're just going to go through the different snacks. So first we have pistachios. We know about these. Wonderful, roasted and salted. I love pistachios. I don't know how you guys feel about them, but I think they're delicious. So I will eat them. All right. Then we've got Little Secrets Toasted Coconut Dark Chocolate Candies. Nothing artificial, 55% fair trade cocoa. I've never heard of this brand before. I'm excited for that. Then we've got, so we'll count then at the end to see if this is the $24.99 box, but I'm pretty certain that that's what this is. So now we have a superfood snack. This is the roasted, line over the O, no A, crunchy lentils. This is actually spicy, which is kind of hilarious because my husband and I will eat things at restaurants that say spicy. Like, that's not spicy. We know what spicy is. So these are actually spicy, which is exciting. Then we have a Saint Michel Madeleine traditional French sponge cake, which sounds delectable. I'm excited to try that. Then we've got, this is an RX bar. I've been getting a lot of these in like little packages for the kids. I split them up, put it in 2 of the lunch boxes, then they've got a packet of protein. So in this bar, and this is it, 3 egg whites, 6 almonds, 4 cashews, 2 dates, no BS. This is the chocolate sea salt flavor. These are really good for you. They're great to keep in your desk, keep in your purse for like a long burning energy. I know I've told you guys about this, how protein affects your energy levels, and eating carbs like sugars, breads and stuff like that gives you a quick, and like this kind of stuff, you're getting that good stuff. All right, then we've got Quinn pretzels. These have a touch of honey. Farm to bag. Never heard of this brand either. Super excited to try it out. There's that. Next, we have Cocoa Yummies. Coconut treats with dulce de leche, milk caramel, and dark chocolate. I think it's one of those, like, almost, it feels like a stroopwafel. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? All right. Then we've got Half Puffs. Curiously Crunchy Popcorn. These have been around for a while, and I heard some people complain about them. Like, this is, you know, I love these, though. I love these. I love when you eat popcorn and those little half ones at the bottom. Me and my husband fight over them. So this is black truffle and sea salt flavor, which sounds very decadent. And I love the packaging. Then we've got a Bobo Spice. I've had one of these before. This is gluten-free, vegan, and non-GMO. What flavor is it, though? It doesn't say. This is the original. I've never had this one. I had one that was like, I don't remember. But there it is. It's like a little, almost looks like a muffin. It's super cute. Isn't it cute? All right. Keeping going. This is a Poppy's coconut macaroon. Ooh, I love coconut. And macaroons are just delicious. I actually can make these myself. Did you know that? I can make these. I sent some to the troops. Macaroons. I hope they like them. All right. Then we have a Janice Melanie chocolate. I've had something from her before. Chocolate chunk cookie. Might have actually been this. This is a 1 ounce cookie, so it's really big. And it's like meaty heart cookie. I'm super excited to try that. I will actually probably share this one with the kids because they really love chocolate chip cookies. All right, then we have a JoJo's chocolate bark bar. So this is like a dark chocolate bar. It looks like it has pistachios and other nuts and raisins in there. So it's kind of like a trail mix energy type snack. Never heard of that brand. That sounds yummy. Then we've got a balanced cookie dough nutrition bar. It has 15 grams of protein and 23 vitamins and minerals. You see why I didn't want to eat these on camera? Because they're like, I would look like a ball and you just roll me out. So there's that. We're down to the last two items here. So the first one is Made Good. I love their products. Oh, this is a chocolate chip granola bar. This almost reminds me of like the size and that flavor reminds me of those like Quaker Oats bars that my mom used to put in my lunchbox when I was a kid, but a much healthier version. Then we have mint chocolate granola bar from Chef. I've never heard of this, so that's something else to try. Now let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 snacks, $24.99. If you're interested in that giveaway, I'll link to that below. I'll also link to my full blog review and also to Snack Nation. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please forgive me for not doing a tasting review. Please, please, please. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!